Hey everyone. If your Chrome extensions are crashing, freezing, or closing automatically in 2026, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to fix Chrome extensions crashing. First, restart your browser completely inside Google Chrome. This clears temporary glitches and fixes minor memory issues that cause crashes. Next, update Chrome to the latest version. Old browser versions often create compatibility problems with extensions. Now, disable conflicting extensions one by one. Sometimes two extensions don't work well together and cause crashes. After that, clear your cache and cookies. Corrupted browser data can break extension functionality. Next, remove and reinstall the problematic extension. This resets settings and often fixes the issue instantly. Now check your system performance. Too many open tabs or background apps can overload memory and cause crashes. Finally, reset Chrome settings if nothing else works. This restores default settings and fixes deeper configuration problems. So yeah, that's how you fix Chrome extensions crashing in 2026. Follow each step carefully, and your extensions should run smoothly again. And if this helped, don't forget to check out more browser tutorials for fast and easy fixes.